everyone! Welcome to today's cleaning moment. I'm starting with this adorable little room. Putting away all the toys, tiny kitchen sets, and cute furniture like the mini sofa and fridge. Each piece gets gently wiped down and organized. I love how everything slowly falls into place. Clean, cozy, and ready for little giggles again. There's something so satisfying about tidying up a kid's space. It's like restoring a tiny world back to joy and calm.